This video will show you how to replace the Bank 1 Sensor 1 O2 sensor on a Ford Edge. This will be located along the backside of your engine. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To replace the Upstream Bank 1 Sensor 1 O2 sensor, we're coming from underneath the vehicle. Now as you make your way under here, we have to make our way up and above the exhaust, and we're finding where the O2 sensor is located. To start removing this, we're starting with our electrical connector. All the way up here, you can see the gray connector. This electrical connector has a locking tab up along the top. I'm going to squeeze that in and we should be able to pull this out of place. To help dislodge this, I'm just using a small pocket screwdriver. I'm pressing in on that locking tab. Just go ahead and dislodge it. Pay attention for corrosion. Now we can continue on up along the top of the catalytic converter. This is where the Upstream O2 sensor leads down and into. To remove the O2 sensor from the exhaust pipe, we'll be using an O2 sensor socket. There it is, friend. Prior to installing any brand new part, of course, we're going to make sure we clean and inspect our mounting area. For this, I'm just using a piece of fine sandpaper. We'll give the mounting port a light scuffing, confirm there's no miscellaneous debris. Now it's time for the installation of our Upstream O2 sensor. Looking at the threaded portion, you can tell that there's already anti-seize. We need to confirm there's no anti-seize on the sensing agent all the way down at the end here. We're going to take this and we'll start it into the exhaust pipe by hand. Now as we start this in, we want to be careful not to overly twist our wires to the point that we can cause damage. Once you have that snug by hand, we're going to continue on tightening it. The torque for this is 35 foot-pounds, but you may find you have a hard time getting a torque wrench into this area. Okay, right there is bottomed out. I'm just going to take this a little bit further here. We just want to make sure that we gently compress our crush gasket. Now it's time for our electrical connector. The locking tab will be facing up. Press it in, listen for an audible click, double check to make sure it's secure, and the wiring is not hanging down in a way that can cause damage. Okay friend, we showed you how to install your O2 sensor. Now at this point, make your way out from under the vehicle. Start the vehicle, let it run. Make sure you have no check engine light and no running condition, and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.